The Feather STM32F405. The USB-C is for data and power. LiPo battery charger, onboard NeoPixel, tons and tons of GPIO. This has a STEMMA QT port on it. On the bottom, this has the micro SD card reader, so you can use that. It is over SDIO, so it's quite fast. Port for this in CircuitPython, Arduino, and MicroPython. I have it plugged into USB-C for power and data. You can see the NeoPixel on here. It's green right now. It's going to flash to blue when we write data to the SD card. So I've got a micro SD card plugged in there. Data I'm logging is the CO2, humidity, and temperature coming off of this SC041 sensor breakout that I have plugged in using I2C. Feather STM32F405 Express.